Hello, this is July the 30th, and I will be breaking down trades for the upcoming week, which is going to be the August 1st to the 5th. Alright, so if we start with, what had happened last week. Key points were earning reports and Fed rates. Fed rates came out as expected, so gold naturally moved up. Okay? Which was a continuation of the previous week. And if you look at it carefully, head and shoulder inverse. So we're expected to probably come before going up. Right. So that's for gold. Now before we start, let's look at coming week and see what's there. So you have CPI for AUD on Wednesday. Okay. And then we have FOMC. What? There we go. Much better. Alright. Cash rate. Tuesday. Gonna be huge on AUD. Alright. Unemployment change. Gonna be huge on NZD. We might see some sort of less correlation between GA and GN because of these two fundamentals. Okay. But beyond that, let's see, we have bank rate as well for G. Oh my god, next week's. Right. And then oh my god, NFP. Okay, next week's gonna be a wild week, and so let's start. Let's start with the price action, okay? So let's see if I could get this up. Right, awesome. If you look carefully, we made a support right here previous week, broke below, right, with a strong wick which exceeded this and this level. Grabbed liquidity and pushed down close below. Now, if you look at this one this week poked even higher, grabbing all the buy stops and then pushed down further. Now, if you look, we've closed basically below this wick, and we're contesting with this level. Now, what I expect next week is a lot of indecision. We are at a level where GJ is probably deciding whether it wants to go down or go up. Right? It could go up, start breaking this channel. God. This upward channel, and that's a possibility. Not ruling that out. So, being very wary of what's to come. And let's see. Click to download.
Today's video.
Awesome. Alright, so for GJ, beyond that, I haven't drew anything. In any case that I am expecting is if it comes up here or below here, right? Expecting some sort of like this kind of wick, because we are going to be heading into a very heavy fundamental week. And I think I'll probably be trading a lot less frequent due to the nature of it. Okay. So that's for GJ. There's nothing much waiting for. We're basically in a consolidation. A big range around here. Haven't really moved anywhere. Have to wait. Alright. GA. Alright. For GA. we had a push down. And you could see that this trend, this fib is working relatively well, getting respects and respects from this level. That's a good sign. Now, what does that mean? That means that if price starts to push up into this level, I will be taking short. Not going to happen anytime soon, obviously, but this is there for the more macro play, right? Beyond that, there are two possible places that I'm looking at currently for GA. Now, if news comes out, I believe, what day is it? Tuesday. If the news on Tuesday or Thursday comes out strong, we're likely to see push to the other side, one side of the other. Probably something like this. So if it does come down, taking a position here. If it does go up, then I'll be probably taking here and not this one. Just because I am expecting strong movement in one direction. And this would be tapped out before I even make profit. If the news, if the expected news and the actual release is far out of touch. Alright? So that's that. Alright. As for where I got this, it is from here. Oops. Maybe not. It is here. Alright. So that's GN. We're also in the summer, which means a lot less volume being traded. So be mindful of that, and you can see it from the price action. We haven't really made up or down any of those things, but rather relatively stagnated. Okay. Now, for GN, I am expecting. If you look, I have drew few things that would correlate with each other. Say this one is to expect the same move right here at 1.76. Okay, and this one, the second area of interest, is for this level right here. Right. And also, if you look at the market structure, we have been making high. Look at this, it's still higher. This is higher. It poked below, but still closed above. And if you look at this, which is a very ugly drawing, but if you look at the essence of it, we're in an up channel, and we are also creating this very small trend line to the downside. Now, what I'm expecting is price is likely going to set up, break this, hit one of this area, retrace, and push upward, and then we're going to have a strong rally upward. So I am going to be looking for long position more than I am trying to get short position here. Okay. As for gold, drew a few levels, mostly going to be shorts, as gold, grabbed huge liquidity from the left right here, expecting a lot of push to the upside before we see any other directional biases. The closest thing that I'm expecting is probably here, this level. Right, a lot of wicks reminiscent of this, just less pronounced. So right here, probably gonna see some sort of wick down, whatever. Bottom line is probably gonna take this short or this short, either one of these, for sure. Beyond that, if gold do go up, or if it started the week low, then I am gonna take this short. I mean this long, followed by the 800 EMA, and we'll see. Silver, trying to mirror gold. So one of the big ones that I have is probably this level, right? Just directly correlated. I'm gonna use silver as a confluence instead of taking the actual position, because I do think the setup on gold is cleaner, and I want to take the highest probability. There's nothing really helping me decide that silver is going to go down beyond this level, which, you know, is kind of far away. So that's silver. That's silver. S&P 500, I have no clue. Okay, don't know. For other pairs that I have slightly marked, but not really cared about, are these, and so far I haven't really taken any of these. I do expect to see some sort of response on this level, so you could take this. It's at 1.7, 1.2, my god, 1.02800. Okay, this might be a good entry. Keep an eye on that. There was also GCAT, did not take it, but would have been 150 pip down, which is like 5-1 risk reward. Yeah, beyond that, I don't see anything, and I am not trying to yeah, I just don't see. Oh, whoa. Yeah, you know what? That was the trade. 60 pips. Yeah, so that's it. There's nothing else. Have a great week trading.